Is your manager a bully? Hi, my name is Christina Garidi from Eudaimonia Coaching, and today's topic is really to help you identify if your boss is actually a toxic person. A lot of clients come to me describing the following situations. Their boss being passive aggressive, undermining you, not giving you time, guidance, or support in order to succeed, not having agreed clear objectives with you. They focus on what you cannot do and your mistakes rather than enable you and empower you in order to succeed. They make you feel as if things are in your head. They do not want you to be seen, or they badmouth you behind your back. They always try to cut you out. They're incapable of giving you credit for your work. Their life is more dramatic and difficult than yours, and they play heroes all the time, and they never care to ask you how you are, and the list goes on and on and on. Does that sound familiar? If yes, you have a tough going situation at work. Okay, and now what do, right? The solutions are different in different situations, but the important thing to understand is that this shows a manager who's really not coping, who is actually struggling. They are themselves out of their depth. And what's happening is that the only way they will feel good is by comparing themselves with yourself. So if you are doubting yourself and your self-esteem is lower than theirs, however they may be measuring that, only then they feel better than you and will seek that out. So no matter how small you play, they will still want you lower. And really here, this video is about helping you understand what you're dealing with at work. This scenario comes up a lot with my clients, and recently especially, and we have managed to turn this around in several situations. So let's have a free consultation to understand what is the best outcome for you given your unique situation at work. Depending on your individual circumstances, there may be different solutions that we can follow. But one thing is important: do not hope that one day these managers will see your worth because you're working really hard. It won't make the slightest difference. Okay, so good luck, take good care, and if you've got any questions, here is a safe place for us to discuss and figure out what you need to do. Take good care, see you soon.